Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25 inch Android screen that we installed in a Lexus IS250. So basically this car didn't come with the navigation, and right now you can see we install our unit. It's fully Android, and the option that it works with this car, the car has to be with the knob, as you can see, or pad. This unit is not compatible with the Lexus with the jog, so make sure you have knob, make sure you have the pad control, one of them, either or. So the unit is fully compatible with the knob, so by turning the knob left and right, the screen works perfectly fine with the knob controller. And by going back to Lexus, it goes back to the factory option of the car. And by touching the screen, you can go back to aftermarket mode. You can go to navigation. That's the offline map, and you don't need to use any data with it. It's fully touch screen, the nav. And also that's a media player. You can play media through our USB that we added in the glove box, so I can play like full screen video from the same screen. And Bluetooth is here. You can use the Bluetooth from our unit. The Android part is here, which gives you all the Android features. So you can scroll left, right, and also you can use the knob to scroll left and right. You can use Waze. As you can see, Waze is downloaded on the screen, and you can use Google Maps too. The backup camera still working. By going to reverse, it shows the back of the car. Going back to factory, it goes back to the factory, to the aftermarket mode. And you can see it reads some information from OBD, that's the kilometers, seat belt, temperature outside, and handbrake. It reads some information from OBD from this ECU. It shows the RMP, and it shows the speed of the car. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. You can simply go to our OEM Fit navigation, and you can browse the Lexus vehicles, and you can choose your favorite Lexus and buy the unit. The unit is all plug and play, no modification to the dash, no cutting wire, and no hassle. That's the iGo map. It's fully touch, and it works with all US and Canada both. Again, if you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.